What's up, guys, and welcome back. Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be slaying this beautiful lace wig from start to finish. This one comes courtesy of Nadula. They sent over this beautiful 22-inch body wave lace wig. We're going to be doing some wispy, arrogant taste style baby hair, and we're going to be doing some beautiful, easy, literally 5-minute wand curls on this hair. Of course, we're also going to do the install, which is super flawless without doing any prep, no bleaching the knots, no tinting the lace, and everything is going to come out super flawless. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this wonderful look, keep on watching. Okay guys, jumping right into it, I wanted to show you guys a good look at the inside construction of the cap. As you guys can see, we have lace along the entire front, and it's going to fit me super snug. I also took the electric hot comb and just went along the hairline and kind of pressed it out a little bit. This is a little bit of a hack if you go ahead and install your wigs on your head, because it allows you to get super close and get, you know, the hair super straight without risking burning your hairline or your forehead. From here, I put the wig back on and I went ahead and started to tweeze out the hairline. Pay attention to how beautiful the lace is and how much it matches my complexion. Also, the hairline was pre-plucked, but I felt like it can have just a little bit more. And I also plucked behind the outside or the inside of the hairline as well. I also want you to notice how snug the wig fits on my head. This is extremely important because when it comes to having a wig that you want to keep and you want to enjoy and that, you know, actually looks good on you, it always works best if the wig actually fits your head, even to start with. This is major key. Now we're ready to install. I'm going to be using my liquid gold, and I'm going to be trying a simple new technique. Now this isn't new to the world, but it's new to me. I'm going to apply the adhesive, and this is a non-glue adhesive along the entire hairline. I'm going to apply the wig on top before even cutting off the excess lace. We're going to add the elastic band on top and allow it to dry, and then we're going to cut off the excess lace after. So let's just see how that goes. Once I applied the wig on top, I decided to use the back and front of this comb to kind of just work the product in. I didn't want it to just sit on top of the head. I wanted it to make sure that it was going to get the best application possible. While I work on the remainder of the hair, I'm going to allow that product to dry while having a elastic band on top to set. Now I went ahead and opted for a center part. I'm using my wax stick to go in and kind of smooth out the crown of the head and make sure that everything fits super nice and flat. I want it to look salon ready and not too bulky, and this is going to help me paired with the electric hot comb to get the look I'm going for. Now it's time to work on baby hair, and of course we're going for the Arrogante wispy baby hair that everyone loves so much. Okay, so I bought a flat iron. If you know me and you've been watching my videos for some time now, you know this is my go-to flat iron. It's my favorite. I've been saying probably for the last 2 years I need to replace it because it's just aged, but as long as it's continued to work, I haven't gotten a new one. And you guys know the new baby hair trend. Everyone is using a mini flat iron. Now I've been meaning to get this one just because I thought it would be good for travel. I already travel heavy because I have 3 small kids, so when I travel and I pack, usually my suitcase is loaded and I'm trying to fit things for 4 people in there, me and all 3 of my kids. It did come with this little traveling case, which is perfect. And then here is the flat iron. It literally is the baby version of my big girl, so it looks to be very similar. The only thing is, yeah, it's pretty much on point. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna try and use this to curl my baby hair. I actually forgot that I was supposed to be doing that because I was supposed to curl it before I cut it, so I might have messed up. I keep telling you guys, like, I'm gonna try to master this wispy baby hair trend, and then I just forgot. Like, how irresponsible of me, right? And this is definitely one of those things where I feel like second try, third try, fourth try, by the time you get to like your 10th try, you should be on point. But for this to be like something very new to me, I don't think I'm doing too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up the hairline a little bit. You guys seen there was a little bit of white around the edges. Kind of like you can pretty much go back in and rebond them. But because they've already been bonded down, you guys can see I kind of just sprayed it with a little bit of my glueless adhesive. And I'm just gonna let that air dry, and that worked. You guys also noticed that I did do a little bit different of a technique with the install, and I will say that that way was a little bit easier, or not even easier, but just quicker in the whole process. So I liked that, and you might see me doing that technique a little bit more. And of course, the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. But while I'm still going in and styling the hair, I'm really not sure how I want to do the ends. so install done, hairline, baby hair done, added the powder to the parting. It's amazing how well you can finesse when you don't bleach your knots and stuff with a little bit of powder, and this is something I don't mind doing daily. Now I really, like, if I was just about to go chill with the family, I honestly probably would leave it like this and just add a little bit of serum to kind of like tame a little bit of the frizz. But I personally like the way body wave looks when it has just that natural wave, so I'm really not even interested in manipulating the hair all that much. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of serum and then just go around and add pieces of curl or wand curl pieces of the hair throughout and kind of like pull it together and see how that looks. Notice how I'm curling the hair in medium to smaller size pieces, and I am curling away from the head. I am keeping the wand curler on the hair for maybe at least a good 15 to 20 seconds. I did speed up and cut through just to make sure that this wasn't too hard to watch. And as you guys can see, I'm not going to get every single strand curled. I'm just taking pieces all around, and then once I comb it out, it'll look so beautiful, and I'm sure you guys already seen that in the intro. Be sure to curl a few under as well so that when you have your hair pulled forward, you can kind of see that everything matches and blends. Also, don't forget to use a heat protected and or a serum. I applied mine off camera, and again, the result was super beautiful. Also, I did do the opposite side off camera. I highly recommend this 5-minute cheat sheet curl look for all of you who are on the go. I recommend that you try this at home yourself and see how quick and easy it is to get a really good look for work, for a day at brunch, shopping, or whatever it may be. You look so done up without having to spend all day curling each strand of hair. Okay, so we are done, and the finesse is that I did not curl my entire head. These are like 5-minute curls. I kind of just seen where I could find main big pieces to curl, but I didn't like uniformly curl them all together. So I kind of feel like when you let them go, it'll kind of keep the vibe that I wanted with the natural hair, but better. You know what I mean? Like, it looks more done up. You can definitely add layer, and that'll definitely give you a little bit more body, but I like what it's given as far as the natural look goes. Now, as far as my little baby hairs go, I kind of feel like I'm on the right track as far as like making them wispy. Like this one here I really like. This one here I liked until like I cut it, but I kind of feel like it's missing something, or maybe I need to curl it in a different direction. I really do like the way this curling iron curls, but I don't know, it's like this piece is like not cooperating. Maybe if this piece goes this way, it's not giving what it needs to give. So I probably will just pull more hair out from behind to make it give and do what it needs to give. But for now, that works. Again, this is my first time trying this look, so really not mad at it. And this side looks cool. Now this one, the way it fits my head perfectly, but this one didn't have the ear tap situation, so when you cut it, it naturally goes behind your ear. But I really actually like the way that looks, because it gives, like, my baby hair is right here and the wig is here, and it really does legit blend. You can't tell which part is baby hair and which part is wig. I mean, you know it's wig, but it just blends back into the hairline really nicely. She did come from Nadula, as I mentioned before, and you guys already know the deal with the packaging. Same as usual. They did include rat tail comb, they did include the bra straps, the bra strap style elastic band, and of course some wig caps. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little look. Hopefully you guys like the way the baby hair came out. Again, we're gonna try and we're gonna continue to perfect it. I think after I do this a couple more times, maybe I need more. Maybe I should make it thicker, like pull more hair out. I don't know, but off camera I'm gonna try it out a little bit more and have some fun with it. But again, I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!